Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about, we're actually answering a customer's question. It's going to be, and I apologize in advance, it's going to be kind of redundant because we're not at a point where like I can take you out on the street with me and physically show you this coverage, right? But the question was, hey, can you upload the vlog? Initially, the vlog was, it's titled Jeweler's Block Insurance for Small Retailers, right? Where we kind of go through the definition of a very unique type of coverage that's geared towards a certain group of people, right? People that own jewelry stores or at least own a significant amount of precious metals or jewelry. The question was, hey, can you post a video that goes through the coverage? Kind of post another video. So I'll try to do that. Once again, some of this stuff will be redundant. If it is, hey, that's a good thing. That means you understand the coverage. Otherwise, we'll still keep chipping away at this topic, because at some point we really do want to be able to actually take you through through a vlog, through an application, or take you to an actual location and say, hey, this is what's covered, this is what isn't, look out for this, maybe you try these measures to protect X, Y, and Z from happening, so forth and so on. But, excuse me, jeweler's block coverage. It's written all risk, right? But the key here, as we stated in the initial vlog, is be comfortable with the exclusions, right? So each policy with each carrier might be a little different, and that difference will lie in what's covered, right? So they, once again, all risk, but one common exclusion may be flood, right? But another exclusion may be they won't pay a loss for employee dishonesty, right? Or quote unquote mysterious loss, right? Things like that, you have to peruse the entire policy doc, right, to see what is actually covered. And key in on those exclusions, because those may be things that you've perhaps experienced in the past, right? That you need protection for. And if that's the case, don't completely shut down that carrier. Engage with them. Tell them, hey, this is what I need. Can we endorse this onto this coverage? Right? And they may be willing to do it. It may be at an additional cost, but they may be willing to provide that coverage. Another key thing to jeweler's block that people forget about is that don't be surprised if the carrier wants to. I mean, nowadays they may be able to do it electronically, like via Zoom or something of that nature, but they may physically want to come to the address, right, to see what preventative measures you have in place, right, to physically see the layout of your jewelry store, right? And this is in addition to the rudimentary questions that are on the application, which is kind of how much jewelry is shown at any one time, how much jewelry are you in possession of from your customers, right? And then loss history. What type of preventative measures do you have in place? What type of training do you give your employees, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That's with any application for insurance, but for jeweler's block in particular, you could have a carrier come in and actually check the store. So don't be surprised. It's a chance for you to showcase what you've done and the measures that you've taken to protect your product, right? So it could get you a better rate, right? So think of it like that. that is those are all the key things to kind of look out for with Jeweler's Brock, right? So each carrier may be different. So really peruse through and thumb through the coverage detail, okay, with an emphasis on exclusions. And then don't be frightened to have, you may even want to have an underwriter come and visit the property because, I mean, it highlights some of the things that you've done to protect the product, which could result in a better rate. Okay. Thank you for the question. Thank you for the request. And thank you for stopping by, guys. We'll chat next week. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.